show you how to make your favorite cappuccino cup at home, Starbucks quality. I know all of us during this time with COVID-19, as we are all practicing social distancing, it is hard as it is that we are not really able to do the things we love. And one of those things could be going to our favorite Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts. I don't know what you like the most, but for me it's more like Starbucks. And I've heard so many of the posts out there saying how everyone misses their favorite barista. I know how that can be, and we hope everyone is doing well. And I would like to show you simply how to bring Starbucks to your home while social distancing, so you are not deprived from your favorite drinks. And if that is the cappuccino, that is your favorite drink, then that video is for you. So let me start by showing you what do you really need. And the components are very simple. You really need a DeLonghi, a machine. That is one of the machines. That's not the only machine out there, but this is the one I chose. It's an affordable machine. Best Buy sells it for under $200. And the key here is to have a minimum pressure of 15 psi. 15 psi is what is going to get you there, nothing below it. As you can see, I grinded the bean already, so the beans are going to come out like this quality here. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but it is basically grinded to a perfect level where it is ready to go into the portafilter. So simply we just put like so you put about 2 scoops in here. Maybe because I didn't fill it, so you can just go like that would do. And then you can just kind of like push it. You don't have to push it really too hard, but then once you have your fresh beans over here, you just put it inside the espresso machine, okay, and you put your 2 cups. They're gonna go over here. Once again, that's a measured shot. It's very important, measured shot. So now let's get the party started. So now I have the frother on. I'm getting the amazing espresso shots coming out. As you can see, everything now happening at the same time. For me, I just need to watch it for just a few seconds, so it's all ready to be used. And now it might feel like it's taking a while, but as you, let's say, make a drink for yourself, for your wife, or for your significant other, you would find that the process is moving faster for you. So I have my espresso shots ready. I'm just gonna show you how it looks. And you can see here, I'm not sure if the camera is showing the quality, but you can see how the espresso shot looks, the aroma, how fresh it is. And as I am waiting for the milk frothing to be finalized, I'm getting my cup ready. Because watch what's going to happen now. So now my machine is telling me that my milk frother is ready, And now I'm gonna basically just go like that. You see the froth, how thick it is. And then the next thing, I'm putting 1 shot. You need to really put 2 shots to get the real experience, the real fresh experience. And you can see what is happening here with this cup. As you can see, you're getting 3 layers of a perfected cappuccino drink, Starbucks quality, at home. We don't know how much the COVID-19 self-distancing is going to be, but we know that we can have a great cappuccino cup at home with our loved ones, so we can keep going every day. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you have any questions, please send me private message or post, whatever works for you. But I just wanted to use this time on as we're going into the weekend. So if you wanted to get the equipment over the weekend, you have a chance, so you could start your week right and you could have a great experience moving forward. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you.